One question I get asked all the time is, how did I go from zero to making thousands of dollars every single month? Multiple thousands of dollars every single month. In today's video, I'm going to break down the things I did step by step and how you can do the same as well. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. So first thing you need to do is to develop great work ethics. What do I mean by that? You must be disciplined. You must be someone that is a go-getter. You must be someone that does the work without being chased. You must be someone that is self-motivated. You are you have that, that self-control, and whatever you plan to do is something that you do. You make sure that you execute. That's one thing a lot of people lack, and this is why they struggle year in, year out when it comes to making money, and they end up working for people their entire lives. First thing you need to do, like I said, is to maintain or build very great work ethics. Now, number two thing that you need to do is to develop your skills. Yes, what is that one thing that you know how to do very well? Go ahead and polish your skills. Don't just stay there. Don't just remain, stagnant. Make sure that you keep on getting better every single day. But then again, I'm going to share with you some high-paying, lucrative skills that can help you earn a lot of money today. Let's get right into it. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So yes, do you know you can become a proofreader? Yes. So now, if you have an eye for detail, do you know that proofreading is a great option? You can help writers to polish their work for blogs, books, or even academic papers. And you can find gigs on Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, or even specific niches like technical or creative writing. You can also sell digital products. Do you know that selling digital products like templates, ebooks, or presets can generate passive income? And you can use marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy to reach your audience. Then focus on products that actually solve a problem or help save time for your customers. You can also become a software developer. I mean, if you're skilled in programming, yes, software development is a lucrative world. You can create apps, you can do plugins, SaaS products, and sell them on platforms like GitHub or even App Store. Do you know you can also sell photography? Yes, you can turn your photos into prints and sell them online. You can use platforms like SmugMug or Fine Art America to showcase your work and handle printing and shipping for you. They will handle the printing and shipping for you. Now, another thing you can do, I'm sure you're not thinking about it, is that you can sell website templates. As a matter of fact, I bought a website template last night. Do you know that website templates are always in demand? I mean, if you're skilled in web design, you can create and sell templates on platforms like ThemeForest or Creative Markets. Guys, there are multiple ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home that a lot of people are not talking about. And yes, one other thing that helps me move from zero to making a whole lot of thousands of bucks every single month is this. Now you need to learn marketing and sales fundamental. This is my own personal experience, and I am privileged, yes, to say that I got my own sales experience from banking. Yes, I worked in a bank for 3.5 years, and I was an affluent banker. I catered for only high net worth clients, and that's why I find it difficult personally to do mass markets. I find it very difficult. I do luxury, luxury selling. I can only function in the luxury space. I'm sorry, but that's just who I am. So I learned marketing fundamentals, particularly with specialty in luxury selling, because at the time I only cater for high net worth clients, and it's easy for me to just work in that category. So go ahead and polish your marketing, your sales and marketing skills. You can take free courses on Coursera.com, and you can also pay for courses on Teachable, on Udemy, and start to make money using your craft. Definitely, I also want you guys to test and learn. Test and learn. When you find any of these strategies on my channel, go ahead and test them out. Yes, test them out and see if it is the right fit for you. Once it's something that you can do and you can commit to, please, by all means, start to do it. It pays. It's going to pay you in the long run, both in the short and in the long run. I always say this. I know people find it hard to believe that I've been broke before. I have been broke before, guys. I know exactly what it feels not to have, not to be able to afford the things that you need for yourself, or to even buy something for others, or to, be able to be a blessing to other people. I don't ever want to go there again. I don't ever want to be broke again. And that's why you see me working smart. Yes, I work smart by creating systems in place for my business. And yes, trust me, if I can do it, you too can do it as well. Now, the next thing you want to do is to find your own winning products. What is that one thing? You can't sell what everybody is selling. Find that one thing that you can test. It's called proof of concepts. Yes, a proof of concepts, simply means you testing if that's your idea is truly lucrative, right? So if you have a proof of concepts, maybe if you have one client, you're able to say, okay, in business, you're able to, stamp it that this is truly a business for real. A business is anything that brings in profits that you can make money from, right? It is truly, if you have not made money from it, then you don't have a business yet. So make sure that you test it out and see if it is something that works for you. Now, persistence is something that you cannot take away from a successful entrepreneur. Yes, as an entrepreneur, don't take a no for an answer. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams when things are not going your own way. A lot of people have lost a lot of opportunities just by being impatient, just by walking away right before their glory. Please do not give up on that project, on that dream, on that business idea of yours. Try and try and try again. Maybe you need to change your marketing strategy. Maybe you need to tweak one or two things. Maybe you need to just change one or two things, or maybe you need to take a marketing course. Maybe you need to learn more, learn new skills. Maybe you need to do things a different way entirely. Maybe you need to network with people. Maybe you need to hire a coach or a mentor to help you, to put you through. For one, I have a mentor and I have meetings with him periodically. So maybe it's time for you to get a mentor. If you need someone to help you, to hold your hands, and maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, you need someone to actually hold your hands, I am here. I'll be more than happy to help you along this journey. If you're interested, just send me an email, ceo@chassiseverything.com, and you're on your way to starting a profitable and successful YouTube channel. One other thing you should do is to recognize and take over opportunities. Yes, don't just let ideas slide. Sometimes you have ideas, pop up while you're in the restroom or while you're in the bathroom. Write it down. Don't ever pass on opportunities that can make you a multi-millionaire. Don't even sleep on it. Another thing you can do, there are lots of people that, they get called, they get called out when they were young. They tell them, yeah, you're talkative, yeah, you're this, yeah, that. You can use your skills to build a personal brand. Maybe you have a knack for speaking. You can start a podcast and start to harness the advantages of speaking a lot. Yes. So yes, use your skills to your advantage. And above all, so go ahead and also find your gold mine and invest your energy in it. And the most important of all is to put God first in everything. Commit everything to God, and I promise you, you will be successful in whatever it is that you lay your hands upon. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually start to make money from the comfort of your home. Yes, and be financially independent. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and do that. I'd like to know you, and I'd like to meet you, and what I'm tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you want to like this video and share, and also subscribe to my blog. Yes, the link is in my comments as well as in my website. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys on the inside. Make sure that you introduce yourselves in comments, because I truly want to read from you. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Till I see you guys again in my next video. Let me go and make some money now. Take care, guys.